Spider-Man defeated in tragic Disneyland accident.
Yeah.
The animatronic superhero froze while swinging above. Okay, so he's an animatronic.
Yeah, no one got hurt.
It's funny looking at him the way he's swinging there.
So there's a video.
Oh my goodness. So everybody's watching the show.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Okay. So nobody got hurt. Let's watch it again. I gotta laugh.
nobody got hurt. Here goes something.
And then Frozen.
Oh. Spider-Man's limbs lock up at the top of his arc, rendering him unable to safely descend.
Oh my God.
He yells out, "Airbags, please." A moment later, the web crawler smashes back first into the side of a building, crashing against a wall and disappearing from sight. It's one of those moments where it's like if you were there at the same time, you kind of wish it went off properly, but you're also you got to see a moment, like a rare moment of the malfunction.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's kind of a funny memory too. But let's get one more. Yeah. Let's see. Watch it lock up. It locks up. This is suspenseful music. Oh no. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hopefully, hopefully even the animatronic Spider-Man can recover from this. Hopefully.